our channel. My mama wants me to video her making pancit today. So we're gonna use Pancit Canton. She's putting oil, 3 tablespoons of oil, any oil that you like. Today we're using olive oil. This is the noodles that we're gonna use. This is Pancit Canton. You can get this in the Oriental store. And 3 cloves of garlic. And there's the makulit na bata there. Baby, what are you doing? Mommy and Grandma's cooking, okay? Huwag makulit, okay? Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And back to Grandma. Half of medium-sized onion. One stick of celery. Baby, let us finish our cooking, okay? Kasali ka ba dito? You're always kasali? Say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? No? Oh, hold on. You have to cook. No, not that. One cup of shrimp. Why you measure it cups, Ma? It depends how much shrimp you like to put. You can put more if you want. And then pork. She already boiled the pork. You can do it like saute the pork first. Or yeah, make the pork oil in the pan. But this one, she boiled the pork. Okay. That's black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. One stick of carrots, medium size maybe, and a cup of green beans, cut in small pieces. Like what I said, you can add more of the ingredients if you like a lot of vegetables, a lot of meat. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then this is where she boiled the pork. She's gonna use that. cabbage. Usually she adds cabbage, but we don't have cabbage today. It's time to put the noodles. That's a lot of noodles.
Kasi yung Canton, mabul ka.
Papa yan? No, not yet, baby. Not yet. Oh, you're gonna fall down. Oh, yes, after. When it's done, you can eat, okay? Yes, and hold on. Papa, very good. Mama, gusto niya nang kain. Yummy! Wow! You say wow, baby? Yes. Say wow! Wow! Nice! Wow! Nice! Yeah? Wow! No, not yet, baby. It's hot. Okay? We have to wait for all the noodles to cook. Then it's done. And she add more water because it's not enough to make all the noodles wet. Why you did not do it?
green onion. Okay. Done. Lister. Finish na. Eat na. You like noodle lang, di ba? Noodle lang sa'yo. Okay. Oh. Okay, there's your serving spoon.